Metal and polymer on the same system? Introducing the Sintertech All-Material Platform, our solution for the future of manufacturing. In a world first, the All-Material Platform allows for all materials to be processed with one single system. Unlike any other SLS 3D printer, our laser module is never in direct contact with the print powder. This means shorter downtimes, faster material switches, and no cross-contamination. But the All-Material Platform is not just for polymers. With it, we will also be enabling a new cycle for metal 3D printing. As part of the All-Material Platform, we are also introducing two brand new modules, the Sintertech S3 and the MCU 220. Both are interchangeable and cross-compatible with the previous generation. The Sintertech S3 packs a powerful 30-watt fiber laser and is developed for around-the-clock printing. The MCU 220 comes with a 90% larger build volume for bigger objects and a higher throughput. The All-Material Platform means flexibility for your manufacturing line. Start with one system and seamlessly scale up depending on your application. Together with our state-of-the-art software, our industrial-grade materials, and cutting-edge modules, the AMP marks a new era for SLS. Amp up your production with the All-Material Platform.